heard about this feature. Hey, how's it going? This is Tesla, by the way, here in San Diego. I hadn't believed it though, but here you go. Dashcam. This the Teslas have 8 cameras, and there's 3 forward-facing cameras. So Dashcam, save clips on Honk. Oh yeah, so they all record. All 8 cameras record. There's this thing called Sentry Mode. We could talk about that later, but yeah, always recording. But you can save clips by tapping on this little camera, GoPro looking thing, dash cam or icon. So now you can do that same thing, save clips, but on a honk, which is typically when something really bad's about to happen or has happened. So that's freaking cool. I mean, I'm an anti-hunker. Hate hunkers, hate honking. It's pointless unless it's a real emergency. So, like I said, if something really bad's about to happen, or happened right when you're honking. So this is cool. We'll check this out. But yeah, one of the latest, I guess, features on the software updates over the air. See you later.